Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and easy tuna pasta salad. First, cook 8 ounces of your preferred pasta shape, like elbow macaroni or rotini, following the package instructions until al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta well and rinse it thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the pasta from sticking. Set the cooled pasta aside while you prepare the other ingredients. Next, let's prepare the core ingredients. Take 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, either in water or oil, and drain them very well to avoid a watery salad. In a large mixing bowl, flake the drained tuna. Then, finely dice 1/2 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. Add these fresh vegetables to the tuna, ensuring an even distribution for great texture and flavor in every bite. Now for the creamy dressing that brings everything together. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of tangy Dijon mustard. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, which adds a bright, zesty note. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve your desired flavor profile. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious tuna pasta salad. Add the cooled pasta to the large bowl with the tuna and vegetables. Pour the creamy dressing over everything. Gently fold all the ingredients together until the pasta and tuna are evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.